Hey guys, what's up? So in this tutorial, we are going to see how you can uninstall Better Discord from your Discord, and we have also added many things over in this article, like the best themes that you can go through, like the darkest one and the lightest one, and we have also covered how you can download and install Better Discord from GitHub. It is a very simple process. If you want the video on that, let me know in the comment section below, and some factors that you definitely need to go through, like there's a tip we have added at the it is actually whether Discord is actually violating the Discord terms, so please make sure you're using it carefully. So let's start with the tutorial. I'm going to uninstall it here. So once you have downloaded the Better Discord from this, I'm here using the Windows pieces, so I'm going with this. So I have downloaded it from here, and once I have downloaded it is somewhere around 64 of MBs, and I'm going here. You can see it is something like this, and let me just accept the agreement. Next, now here's the three. If you're going to go with the installation process, then better go with this one. If you have any troubleshootings or any issues that you want to repair, then go with this. And the last one is installation process. Since I have Better Discord in my server, so I'm going to uninstall it here right away. I'm going to next, and I'm selecting that this is a Discord directory that it already found, pressing on uninstall, and it is showing me a warning that better is could not install. Since I have to manually close this Discord, and then I have to restart it again and everything goes well. Let me just do it for you here. So I'm going to the task manager, and here I'm going to find the Discord, and here it is where it goes. Like, sounds very creepy. Okay, so here's the Discord. I'm going to end this task here, and now just close it down here, open Discord, and actually it's a manual process. That's what it asks to do. So yeah, it's gone now. You can see that if you are already been in the Better Discord, you have must be gone through this process. You may find your settings and everything possible out there, and yeah, it's super simple. So let me know in the comment section if you really like this video, and if you want me to cover more such videos and over the Discord or any of the stuff. So just let me know in the comment section below. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, as well as keep reading iTech Hacks. Signing off.